6 o'clock hits and your brain is fried. You stare at the fridge, dreading one more decision. How to whip up a dinner everyone will actually eat without triggering another kid table revolt. Prices keep climbing, yet plenty of those pricey peppers and chicken breasts languish in the fridge. No plan, no energy, and eventually straight into the trash. Meet MealestroAI, your email-first dinner assistant that handles all the planning. On the day you choose, 7 dinner ideas land in your inbox each week, tailored to your family's tastes, timed to your schedule, and designed to hit the table in around 30 minutes, so you spend your evenings living, not lingering in the kitchen. Choose the meals you actually want to cook, 1, 2, or all 7. MealestroAI turns those picks into a grocery list with exact portions. No overbuying, no food waste. Life gets hectic, but MealestroAI has your back. If you haven't picked your dinners within 3 days, a friendly nudge pops into your inbox to keep you on track. 2 days before the next menu drops, MealestroAI checks in. Got leftovers or flyer deals we should use? Type them in or snap a quick photo, and those items are woven into your new recipes, slashing waste and shaving dollars off your bill. No time to reply? No worries. You'll still get a full dinner plan and can jump in on the next cycle. Result: less stress, smaller bills, and dinners everyone actually eats. MealestroAI lives in your inbox. No apps, no new logins. Tap your personal link and save it to your mobile home screen. And you are cooking. Setup takes under a minute, and your first plan arrives today.